How to reset home screen layout on Android phone. Learn how to reset. Okay, so first you have to just click on finger your home screen. Okay, home screen, click on the long press and hold. Now you can see here setting option will be there in the downside. Click on the settings options. Okay, now you can see here many settings are there but not have that home screen layout reset. Okay, so what you do here, scroll down, scroll up. Okay, now you can find in the downside about home screen. Click on the about home screen. Now you can see in the top right side corner the here have the question options. Click on here. Now you can see one UI home. Okay, this is app info, but I will tell you here have no any options that layout home screen reset. But one thing is do you will be reset your layout home screen. Okay, which one that for? So you can see here in the downside here have the storage options. Click on the storage options. Now you can see one UI home. This is okay. Now you can see in the downside clear cache options is there. Click on the clear cache and the clear data options and delete here clear cache and clear data. So after doing this, now you can when I go to back, now you can see my home screen layout will be reset here. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure guys like and subscribe to the channel Genuine Guide.